There is no better place to spend your Thursday nights in SLO than at the farmer's market. No car, no problem. Here is how to use SLO Transit, Farmer's Market Edition. Step 1. Download the SLO Transit app. First, you're going to open your phone and go to the App Store. Search SLO Transit in the search bar. Then you're going to select the app, download the app, and then you're going to wait for the download to complete and then open the app. Allow the app to send notifications to your phone to be reminded when your bus is coming to the stop. Click OK, let's go. Allow the app to access your location. This will help you track your location while on the bus and track your progress along your route. Step 2. Find your bus route. Click the Sign button on the top left corner of the app. Select Route 4A to get from campus to the Downtown Transit Center. Take note of your location by looking at the blinking blue dot outlined with white. Find the closest bus stop to your location. Bus stops are blue and outlined in white but are not blinking. For our purposes to get to Farmer's Market, we are using the Kennedy Library bus stop. Click the bus stop. This will bring up a list of estimated bus arrival times. Determine which bus you will be taking. Step 3. Set a notification to remind you to leave for the bus. Click the Tap to Set button below the minutes that remain until bus arrives. For Android users, this is a bell icon. You will have the option to set the notification for 3, 5, or 10 minutes before the bus arrives. Androids have the option to set any length timer. 10 minutes gives you enough time to get to the bus stop from anywhere on campus. Select the time and it will automatically save. Step 4. Getting to and boarding the bus. There are 2 bus stops on campus, the Kennedy Library and the PAC. You should leave with enough time to arrive about 3 minutes early to whichever bus stop is closest to you. Remember to have your poly card every time you ride the bus. Make sure to be on the right side of the street that your bus picks up. The 4A picks up on the side closest to the University Union or on the same side as the library. Wait there until your bus arrives. Step 5. On the bus. Swipe your poly card with the black stripe facing you and wait for the ding of approval. Take it from the expert. You want to make sure you swipe the card straight and in the middle rather than at an angle to avoid the error message. Watch as the bus driver demonstrates this. Remember to say thank you to your bus driver. Take a seat wherever there is room or stand if there are no seats. Once you're approaching your stop, pull the wire along the window to request that stop. A good thing to keep in mind is that the Downtown Transit Center is 7 stops from the Kennedy Library bus stop. Getting to the Farmer's Market. Once you get off the bus at the Downtown Transit Center, you will walk down towards Higuera Street. Step 6. Getting back to Poly. To get back, the 4B bus will take you from the Downtown Transit Center to the Performing Arts Center. Warning, the ride back is a different route, but you will still get back to Cal Poly campus. Good luck and have fun at Farmer's Market.